Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Getcontact app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on money down here, and you just click here on money, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on notification settings. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to get notified when Getcontact has answered your tickets. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.